Well, as the COVID crisis continues and cases surge, advocates for inmates at the Bedford Hills Correctional Facility are calling for Governor Hochul to step in to help stop the spread among inmates and employees. News 12's Carol Wilkinson has the latest in this report.
The head of the female inmate advocacy group, New Hour for Women and Children, says the COVID surge at the Bedford Hills Correctional Facility has gone from bad to frightening.
We've heard that almost all of the housing units are quarantined and women are remaining in their cells for virtually the entire day.
Martin Ligori says the number of COVID cases among inmates is dangerously close to 70. She says her organization is now begging Governor Hochul to step in and take action to stop the spread.
We've been calling on Governor Hochul to grant clemency, release, and reduce the quantity of women behind bars during the pandemic. Anything we can do to bring the population number down is so important. And certainly women who have been there for many, many years.
For its part, the New York State Department of Corrections and Community Supervision website updates the measures being taken in the battle against COVID, saying in part, our process identifies patients who are ill and requires special monitoring and care, and isolates those who create the greatest risk of transmission to others. And asymptomatic patients who wear a mask and follow social distancing and hand hygiene guidelines have minimal risk to others. A nurse will swab the individual, and that swab is then sent to an authorized lab. While those efforts are appreciated, Martin Ligori says immediate action from the governor could make the difference between life and death in the middle of the current pandemic.
Right now, nothing is being done, and it's just increasing the number of people behind bars and officers who are at risk of death.
We contacted the governor's office for comment and so far have not received a response. Carol Wilkinson, News 12.